Hello guys, I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see the Hadoop HDFS command part 1 and in this we are going to see first Linux command. Before moving on HDFS command we are going to see the Linux command. So let's see some Linux command because without knowing these Linux command you cannot make good understanding on the Hadoop HDFS commands. So let's start the Linux command. So first we are going to see the vi command, that what vi command do. For open and write content or text in file we should use the vi command. We should also use the nano. So how we use the vi command? We first put vi, after that file name. The file name in which we want to write a content, we write the file name like this: vi slash home slash yt slash crick.txt file name. And when we put enter, then this file will be open and we can write any content, and we can save that content and we can exit from that file, means from this file. And for exiting we should put the shift colon qw. vi command is used for open and write the content in file. So guys, let's move on next command. Next command is mv command in Linux. What is the purpose of mv command? mv command used for move file from one location to another location. mv command have so many work and it is used for so many purpose. So first of all, it used for move file from one location to another location. So how it's move file from one location to another location? First we put the mb, after that the file which we want to move from this location to this location. So first file name, after that the location where we want to move. Like I use here mb space slash home slash yt slash crick.txt space slash home slash yt slash crickets. So I am going to move crick.txt file into crickets folder. Like this way we can move our file to any other location. So let's see next things in mb command. Move all text file from one location to another location. How we move all text file from one location to another location using mb command? We can move any text file, any pdf file, any html file, or any json file, any xml file, any type of file we can move using mb command from this location to this location. So here I am using the mb command and I am moving the text file from this location, means from yt folder to crickets folder. So I use like this: mb space slash home slash yt slash star.txt. Star.txt means all the text file within yt folder. So it is moving from yt folders to crickets folder. So I am repeating again. I use mb space slash home slash yt slash star.txt space slash home slash yt slash crickets. So it is going to move all text file within yt location to crickets location. Like this way we can move the text file of a folder to another folder. So guys, let's move the next things. Next things is we are going to see the ls command. That what is ls command do? List files folder with details. Using ls command we can list the files and folders, and when we put ls -l then it will list the file folder with details like this way: ls-l slash home space slash home slash yt slash crickets, and after that put enter. Then it will list the list of files and folder within crickets folder with details like when this file is created, what is the size, what is the permission. All these things will list with files and folder details. So let's see the next things: how we remove the folder with all its content. How we remove the folder with all its content, including all interior folders. Suppose that we want to remove a folder and we want to remove all its content, file, folder, all things we want to remove of a folder. So how we do? We do the rm command. By using rm command, we can remove the all contents of folder like this way: rm -rf we will see that what is -rf do. -rf means recursively, f means forcefully. It will remove slash home slash yt slash crickets. After then we put enter. So rm command remove the all content of crickets folder. It removes recursively all file folder from this file, and it will not ask to you that should I remove or not. It will do forcefully. So by this way we can remove all the contents of a folder. So let's see the next things: remove all the content of the folder, including all interior folder but not folder itself. In this case, as we see earlier, that when in this case the all content of crickets folder removed along with this folder, but now we want to remove the content of crickets folder. So what we do? For that we do rm space -rf space slash home slash yt slash crickets slash star. It means it will remove all the files and folder from crickets folder, but it will not remove the crickets folder itself. It means it only remove the files and folder available within cricket folder, but it will not remove the cricket folder. It will remove only files and folder within this folder, within this cricket folder. That's why we put slash star. But rm command is also very dangerous. So I put a note: be careful while running rm command, because once you delete the files, then you are not able to recover the content of files and directory easily. So once you remove the files and folder, then you cannot contain those file and folder easily. There are so many tools by which you can recover those things, but for that you should know about that tool, and you should do a lot of things. So guys, let's move the next things. Next things is delete multiple files simultaneously. How we delete multiple files simultaneously? So for that we should also do using rm command. By rm command we can delete multiple files in one go, like I mention here: rm space file1 space file2 space file3 space file4 space file5.txt. We can put here any number of files, and when we do enter, then it will remove all these files in one go. So like this way rm can remove this file in one go. So using rm command we can use, or we can remove files folder in multiple way. So multiple way you can say that rm command using for multiple ways. And now let's see the next things within rm. Remove all the files from inside a folder, not removing folders. As we have seen these things earlier, that remove all the files from inside a folder but not removing folders. So for that we are using the rm-f slash home slash yt slash cricketer slash star. Then it will remove all the content of crickets folder. So as we are seeing here that rm is, it is command for removing things. So rm for remove command. And why we use f for forcefully remove. Prompt will not ask you that or you want to remove this. When we are going to use -f, then it will not prompt you that should I remove or should I not remove this content of file. It will forcefully remove. R means for recursively removed. Go recursively down in every folder and remove everything. And R means R is used for recursively, and I is used for, as we will see that why I use for prompt before every removal. If you want to show the prompts or you want to see the prompts before removing a files or folder, then you should use -i. Then it will ask you before deleting the file. And D means remove empty directory. If you will want to remove empty directory, then you should use D. Without -d you cannot use the empty directory. So we can use rf command by different way. So like this way we can use the rm command. Now let's move next things about rm. Delete the files and subdirectory interactively. How we delete the files and subdirectory interactively? Interactively means it will prompt you or it will ask you before deleting a files and folder. So if like as we have seen, when we are going to delete anything in website, then it will ask you should I delete. Then it will ask you confirmation. If you give confirmation, then it will delete, otherwise it will not delete. So like this way we can use rm-ri slash home slash yt slash crickets. So it will, if I use here -ri, I means it will ask you before deleting a files. Like this way I use rm-ri space slash home slash yt slash crickets, enter. Then it will ask for each files recursively before deleting. Like this way, remove file home slash yt slash cricket slash file1.txt question mark. Then when you put here yes, then it will delete. When you put here no, then it will not delete. Like this way, if this folder contains so many files, then it will ask file1, file2, file3. For all those files it will ask you for your confirmation. Then like this way we can use the rm-ri command. Rm is a command, but -r means we do this thing recursively, means all the files, all the content of this folder we use the r means recursively it will delete, and I means it will prompt you before deleting that files and folder. So now let's see the next things. Removing empty directory. How we remove the empty directory? So this can be done by two way. By two way we can remove our empty directory. It means there is a two command. By these two command we can remove our empty directory. First we should use rmdir. Rmdir, after that directory name, or we can use the rm space hyphen d space directory name, as this is the remove command. rm hyphen d space directory name. So like this way we can remove the empty directory, as I mentioned here, rmdir space directory name or rm space hyphen d space directory name. By these two way we can remove the empty directory. rmdir do not delete a directory which contains files or folder. So rmdir delete the empty directory. Now let's see how we rename a files. How we rename a files? We can rename a files by mb command. By mb command we can rename a files like this way. Suppose that we want to rename crick.txt to cricket.txt, then we can use like this way: mb space slash, this is the folder name where this file crick.txt file is available, and after that this is the folder name, and this is the new file name which we want to change. So I put like this way: mb space slash home slash yt slash sports slash crick.txt space slash home slash yt slash sports slash cricket.txt. So it means it rename the crick.txt file to cricket.txt file. Like this way we can rename a file by using mb command. So guys, let's see the next things. Next things is what? Next things is the question and answer. Here is the two question. Does rm command delete file folder permanently? Then first you pause this video and think and write your answer, and after writing your answer you match your answer with my answer. I think you all know that what is the answer. Then, does rm commands delete file folder permanently? So let's see the answer. rm does not permanently deletes file or folder. rm command does not permanently delete file folder. Now let's see the question second. Can you undo rm command? This is the question second. Can you undo the rm command? It means once you delete a file or folder, then can you undo or can you get back that file or folder? Then write your answer, and after writing your answer you can match your answer with my answer. Then let's see the answer. Can you undo rm command? Answer is rm command does not move files to some crash directory. It deletes normal way. You cannot, you should, it means normal way you cannot undo the files and folder when you remove that file and folder using rm command. Then normally you cannot get back, but you should try some tools with expert skill to find removed files. There is some tools by which you can get revert back that file and folder once you delete that files and folder using rm command. So guys, like this way we have covered some linux command, and there are so many linux command we will see in next session. Till now, if you have any question, then you can ask. So thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching.